Good morning, everybody. I'm Tom with Kentucky Powersports, and I wanted to take the time out to show you a couple of really nice units. We've got a couple of guys that are going to pick these things up today. On my right, we've got a Pioneer 1000 5-seater. This unit has actually been dipped. We had it dipped in the mossy oak bottomland pattern. The guy that's taking this home today is going to have a one-of-a-kind vehicle, but look at some of the other stuff that we did. Not only did we put the hard roof on this machine, we actually got a glass windshield, which is pretty cool. Not too many guys go that route, but this gentleman wanted a glass windshield. We've also got a winch, which we can do all that here. And if you want to look to my left, I've got a 2020 Pioneer 1000 3-seater. Now this one is actually in the Honda Phantom Camo. We kind of did the same thing, or some of the same stuff, but we also did a lot of other work on this machine. If you take a look at the front bumper, for example, this is not the stock bumper. The stock bumper is what we have on this unit over here. The gentleman wanted to upgrade it, so we got the upgraded bumper. Again, we've got the winch on this machine. This gentleman also wanted a full cab. So with the full cab, you actually have to have the glass windshield. So we've got a glass windshield, we've got a roof, we've got the full cab. It's kind of hard to see right now, but we actually got windshield wipers on this particular unit. He also wanted to go ahead and go with heat. So we've got heat in it, we've got a dual battery setup, and there's also an LED light on the back of the roof of this thing. And inside, he's got switches for everything. So he's got the Honda switch plate. The last thing we did, we actually went ahead and put a rear bumper. He wanted the Honda rear bumper on the machine. Over top of the door, we went ahead and put his original skins back on it. So really two great units. Wanted to let you guys take a look at these things. There's just a couple of examples of what we can do for you here at Kentucky Powersports. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Come on out, see myself, see Cole. We'd love to put something together for you that makes sense. Have a good day.